Hello, one and all present here, guys. Welcome to my class on MS Excel. And in this class, what I'm going to discuss, I'm going to discuss something which is very important, guys. So, normally, whenever we are working on MS Excel and we are well versed with the concept of working on MS Excel, probably getting printout would be certain time would be cumbersome work. Imagine, suppose if I'm looking for a printout for this worksheet, what you can see, what I can do if I press Control P for printout, we normally do Control P, right? If I press Control P, you can see here you have 3 page printout is gonna come here. And now certain time we wanted everything on one page, and the next time what happens, like if you see this, I hope this is visible for all of you. Here the names are given and few subjects marks is given. Okay, now I want the same name to be visible here. Okay, because otherwise how will I get to know that which person got what marks? Okay, then I need to, for every time I have to refer the page one to see what kind of data is given. So normally we have spent a lot of time working on MS Excel, but at the same time, understanding the printout option, the print option, probably I say print and print preview option on MS Excel is again very important to be worked on. So let's try to understand a couple of an example so that you can make this concept very clear. So I hope this is visible for all of you. Okay, and I'll take one more worksheet here. Like here, there's a for some XYZ company. I have done certain training, and this is some invoice I got. Okay, now this is the invoice what I got, and so some invoice I got, and probably now if I want the printout of this page, like if I say Control P, and here if you see here 4 pages are coming, you can see, imagine if I send for the 4 pages for the invoice, where the on the first page is my detail of the work done, and the fourth page is my signature. Here you can see one page, you can see little glimpse of a signature, what kind of impression I'm going to create on my client. So, and imagine they want me to do on one page only. So that is a usual requirement, right? If they want me that Amit, you send us the invoice in PDF format, and imagine if I do for printout what we do. Okay, so not for printout, sorry, for PDF conversion, the Excel to PDF. Suppose I want to work on. So if I say Alt FA, so Alt FA, and suppose if I try to save anywhere, and here if I say if save as type, so here if I click on PDF, if I click on PDF, then it will come in full page of the PDF. I hope you're understanding. So what I'm going to do here, this session, what this session is all about, this session is all about working on conversion of Excel into PDF. So how to convert the Excel file into PDF, and when you're working on the conversion of Excel file into PDF, what parameters you can keep in your mind while doing this assignment. So that is what I'm going to discuss in this class. So few things I hope you know, that dates and all, it's very easy. If I have to put today date, suppose here simply I'm putting some dates. So suppose one, so merge is there. So suppose simply if I'm putting some dates, so few parameters, date, if you want to put, you can put date with the function equal to date. You can do this equal to date year 2021, comma month is March, comma date is today is 24. Like this, you can put the date, or you can put today date equal to today open bracket close bracket. Okay, so all these are ways are there to put the date. So equal to today open bracket close bracket will probably work for today date. And suppose if I want tomorrow date, so this I can use up arrow plus sign one. So I'll get the next day date. Okay, so this is the few things. I hope you this will be helpful for you when you are trying to develop an invoice. So here I'm going to work on invoice formation. I'm going to work on learning the PDF conversion, where I want everything invoice in one page. All that I'm going to discuss here. Okay, so suppose if I want the like maybe after 2 days, so the date after 2 days. So I'm getting confused that like suppose if Sunday will come in between, so randomly like every day I'm taking class, and on Sunday is a break, and then again from Monday to Saturday I'm taking class. But here I'm getting confused like today is which day, and then I hope you understand today is which day, and then probably if Sunday will come. So what would be the day? I should not make mistake here. So what can I do here? I can add I can add one column here. So what I can do to select a column, control space bar here you have merge and center. So remove that merge and center and put this on center. And put this on center. Okay, leave that part. So you can add one column. And if you suppose you want the day, you can put the day here with the function called equal to text. Select the date, comma, and in double quote, you can write DDDD. Like under double quote, if you press enter, you'll get the day. And if you just drag it, you'll get all the days. So you see Wednesday and then Thursday, and then maybe Friday was a holiday for Holi, and then you have Saturday. After Saturday, you'll have class on Monday. I hope you understood this. So this is Monday, and then like this plus one. Okay, so this is Tuesday. So now till Saturday I'll do the same thing. Okay. So now I got the Saturday. So after Saturday, it will be plus two. I hope you understood this. So this will be helpful for you whenever you are creating invoice. Okay, so this will be plus one. So this plus one. So now you can copy this. Control C. So I hope you're getting the concept. Then this would be plus 2. So like this. So this way there will be no confusion. Imagine your class is not every day. If there's a gap is also there, you can use this function text equal to text, open bracket, select the date, comma, DDD. So if this D you can write anytime, doesn't matter, and it will give you the date. I hope this part is clear with all of you. Now, like this, simply, I'm just putting the basic thing. You can ignore this. You just ignore this. So now I simply have put the days like this, and you can put the time and all. Now here I took 2 hour class, and suppose remuneration was 1500 per hour. So how much amount I get? So if I multiply this 1500, okay, with this 2 hour, I'll get an error. So I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? Why I'm not getting 3000? Because probably I hope you understand that if you write 2 hour, Excel will consider that as a character. So you know to do the calculation, what you can do, you can use left function equal to left open bracket equal to left text. This is the text. Okay, comma. Then find then double quote space double quote comma. Select this text minus one close bracket and this you multiply with this. So, so now there will not be any error. So this is what I've done. So I hope you have seen my video on text function where I discuss about the left, right, and mid. And so probably we use this function whenever we have to change the name and all. So for name changing and all, if I have to select if my name is Amit Kumar Singh, I want to separate Amit Kumar and Singh separately. We can use text to column or we can use flash fill or you can use left, right, and mid function. So I hope you are well aware about that. Please watch my video on that part if you have any doubt. So suppose like this, I created the invoice And once you're done with this like this, if you want the total sum, you can use alt equal to. So you can use alt equal to, or you can use sum function. I hope you are well aware about this. If you're watching the video by this time, so you should be very clear with these functions, sum and all. So there should not be any confusion in your mind with that regard. So still, if there is confusion, you need to watch more videos on MS Excel. Now, if I want to see the print preview, I can press Control F2. So I can press Control F2, or if you press Control P also, the things will remain the same. So first of all, if you want the maximum content in one page, the first of all, in this orientation, try to make it landscape orientation. Okay, try to make it landscape orientation. So in even then, if you did landscape orientation, still there's a 4 pages there. So you can do page setup. You can go to page setup. Page setup here. If you can reduce this is like a zoom in, zoom out. Adjust to, you can do this with adjust to. You can actually reduce the zoom in, zoom out. With that function, you can reduce the space, or if you click on fit to one by one page with the by one page tall. So like everything it will put in one page. So you can see all the detail came in one page. And now what you can do, you just need to go to save as, and where you want to save, you click there, and how to save in PDF format. And then if you do, the things will be the way you wanted it. I hope you understood this. This is something which is very important. This is especially for any freelancing work which I do. Normally, I require it for my clients. So I hope for you people also it will be helpful for you. And so this is something which we use in day-to-day life, or whenever we are working on invoice preparation, or when we are trying to work on Excel to PDF. So here now, if you see this print Excel to this worksheet here, I'll not be interested to put all the data in one worksheet. What I did in the previous example here, maybe I'm looking for printout, and maybe I'm looking for printout of only selected data. Before I do that, you can see the serial number are not arranged appropriately. This is jumbled, so put filter all DFF, or you can put filter through all DFF or Control Shift L, or you can use short command by using Alt DS, and then you can do sorting from smallest to largest. Okay, now just look better. Now suppose I want to print out for only limited data, like limited data. I'll select this, and for this only I want print. Simply I'm just doing. Okay, so I just want to show you a few things. So like I can go to page setup, and under page setup I'll go to print tiles. In print tiles, print area, they ask me print area. So here I can select the print area. So here I can select the print area. So that area only will come for the printout part. And now if you go to print preview, you can see this same thing. I hope you understood this. Okay, now this is also coming to page, so okay, okay, try to put it on page. Still after landscape also still, you know how to do, you can do it. At least this I wanted to come in one page. So now everything came in one page. So this current selection also you can do. With the current selection, whatever the data you selected, that only will come for the printout option. So I hope you are understanding. You can go to page layout, print files, and here you can do, and like you want multiple sheets, like print out multiple page, the printout should come. But few things I want, like maybe I want the rows to be visible, maybe like the name of the school, whatever the name of school, some XYZ public school, XYZ public school. I want this to be come in every page. Okay, XYZ public school, because that is the name of school. No? That mark sheet is for this school only. So this should come in every page. Okay, so and then this name, serial number and name should come in all the page. So what I'll do, I'll go to page layout and print tiles, and here row to repeat at the top. Here I can simply select this, okay, and column to repeat at the left, and here I can select this. So serial number and name, and then if I go to print preview and still that, yeah, everything should come right. So, okay, first, sorry, page layout print tiles. Let me remove this. Print area is everything. So yeah, everything I want the print area. This is everything is my print area. And row to repeat this, so column to repeat. Then you can see this. Here I think that fit to is there, so I don't want. So you can see this adjust. This adjust become 53%. Suppose I make it 100% only. Okay, now you can, I hope this looks better for you. So you can see this XYZ public school, serial number, name, and few subject is given. Then second page, again XYZ school, you can see name, third page. One minute. Okay, so economics, so few subjects are there. Okay, so all the 30 people, this subject. Okay. So for all the 30 people, this subject, these many subject till chemistry, you get the marks. Okay. So subject name should also come, right? Subject name should also come. I'll go to sheet. Okay, so now here I cannot change the sheet, that column and row thing. So for that, I'll go here. I'll go to print trials and for row to repeat at the top. Here, what is more important? One is the subject name is important. Sorry, school name is important, and along with school name, I want this subject also. So these all are self-explanatory. You can easily understand by yourself. So you can go there. You can check that. So you can see the subject's name, the subject. Here you can see till chemistry. 26 people. The marks is given till chemistry. Here, then you can see all the 30 people marks is there. Then after chemistry, other subject marks till total is here. Same people, so you can go there. With you can reduce it. So you can see I reduce the font size. So you can see maximum subject came here. All the 30 maximum subject came here. If I reduce it further, everything will come on one page. So I hope you are understanding this. So you can go here. This you can go here. Page print setup page. You can do this portrait or all landscape. You can see the difference. Then adjust to fit to print quality margins. You can put margin center on a page. So you can put margin. If you want, you can put margin here. Center on a page, you can see here where your data is coming. Horizontally, vertically, you can put margin. Then header, footer, if you want the sheet that what adjustment I did, the same thing is here. Then you can see this custom scaling fit sheet in one page. So you can see this: fit sheet to one page, fit all column in one page. So these all cells fit all column in one page. You can understand where you also fit all rows in one page. All the rows came in one page. Okay, column also no problem. Column comes or not come, that's okay. Then margin setup normal. You can see this and understand by yourself. Then letters A3, A3. Okay, this is A3. Maximum you can see the size. Lot of content came in one page. If I say A5, you can see this difference and all you can understand by yourself. Print active sheet. So you want to do printout of only this sheet or you want entire workbook. So you can the workbook on which I actually working is very big. So you can see if I clicked on print entire workbook, 88 page came. So that is not my intention. Simply I just for the showing off to you people I just shown you. So that doesn't matter. So let it be otherwise. Print selection you can select the data. So print active sheet movie let it be. Collated, uh, collated you can see collated, uncollated. So when this collated, uncollated will work when you take a lot of printout at the same time. So there that will make more sense. Okay, now pages like you want only 88 pages are there. You just want first 2, 3 pages, or you want the page from third to seventh. All that you can do here. Okay, everyone. So this basic idea it will give you whenever you take printout a few parameters you can keep in your mind while working on, and that way it will definitely will improve your ability to work on MS Excel. So I hope guys you have watched or you are watching all my videos on MS Excel and you are developing an appropriate knowledge about how to work on MS Excel. So that was for this session. I hope you have understood what all I have done. So guys, thank you everyone. Thank you for enjoying this session and liking the class. So see you all in next class. Take care till then. Bye.